So I recently made a short about how annoying it is when you call the IRS. And Topic Focus asked, is it even possible to apply for this job without a degree, referring to a job as a phone operator at the IRS? And Topic Focus, the answer is a resounding yes. If you're interested in this kind of work, go to jobs.irs.gov/customer-service. They need more intelligent people working these phones, please. And I assume you're an intelligent person if you watch my videos. Help provide top quality service to America's taxpayers. Probably the one that would be the most easy to get without a college degree is a contact representative. Okay. So you click here, it takes you to the usajobs.gov website. That's the website where all the federal jobs are posted. Right, so check this out. Contact representative, direct hire, incentive eligible. Okay. Um, so the entry level is like $37,696. And, after you've worked there a long time, you might move to something else, like another department, right, in the IRS that maybe requires a little more technical skill than a contact representative, like a kind of a lateral type thing. But if you stick around as a contact representative, very experienced, right, after many years, you may be looking at something like 60,000 a year, which is really good, I think, without a college degree. And then there's kind of location based aspect to that too in terms of the compensation. So what do these folks do? Well, they basically talk to people who call into the IRS. That's basically what they do. Does it have a thing here where it talks about the job description? Right. Interprets and applies applicable portions of basic tax law and regulations and basic collection techniques and enforcement actions to advise, inform, assess, and collect taxes and associated liabilities. You have to research the tax law. You have to explain it to taxpayers, right? Provide explanations to specific inquiries like questions initiated by individuals, generated by notices, or internally generated assignments. Advises taxpayers of the enforcement actions that may be taken if they fail to meet commitments to file a return and or pay liabilities, and encourages voluntary compliance with tax laws. So, and you can see under here requirements or qualifications. Okay, basically you can qualify based on experience. Okay, you must have at least 1 year of specialized experience at a level of difficulty and responsibility equivalent to the general schedule 4 grade level in the federal service. And you can see this is pretty broad. Specialized experience for this position includes experience gained through working positions that involved frequent contact with the public, researching and responding to non-routine requests for information orally or in writing, right? So, if you have experience conducting face-to-face or telephone interviews, right, a collection agency, telemarketing, customer service, sales, resolving problems and issues. Basically, if you have experience interfacing with the public, right? Negotiating with others to resolve issues, performing administrative and technical procedures, using a computer to locate and review records and reconcile discrepancies, experience working with records, documents, or financial accounts, right? Basically accounting and stuff like this, right? So you can get by just with experience, or you could have a bachelor's degree, right? So if you have a bachelor's degree, you meet the qualification requirement, right? But if you don't have a bachelor's degree, because this is an or here, right? You could still qualify to apply for this job and be considered for it, just with some basic level of really customer service experience interfacing with the public. Because obviously, when we call the IRS as tax professionals, we're very professional, right? We don't yell, we don't scream, but just sometimes how the emotional state that some folks are in when they call us, right? Very agitated, very scared, frightened, angry. I have to imagine that some of these contact representatives at the IRS get an earful sometimes for folks, but they still have to respond in a professional manner, right? Because they're the IRS. They have to be the bigger person. They have to be the one to keep their cool, right? And speak professionally with the general public. So to answer your question, topic focus, can you apply for the contact telephone operator job at the IRS without a degree? Absolutely. you can, and they need more smart people working at the IRS. Sometimes the intelligence of the people we talk to on a daily basis, it scares me. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't think I have any other videos in IRS jobs. I have a video about CPA versus tax attorney. You can check out that video here at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Give us a call at Choice Tax Relief. We have CPAs and tax attorneys on staff, so you don't have to make that choice. Give us a call, 866-8000-TAX, or visit us online at choicetaxrelief.com. Fill out the form. We'll reach out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video, folks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.